Tapales only 5 rounds finish. Because I spar Tapales, always a first round. Because Tapales is only his power is only up and upper, but no strong.
Okay, Janriel Casimero, because you keep on disrespecting Marlon Tapales, eto na, tingnan natin ang tapang mo. Ito ang sabi po ni Sir Sean Gibbons. Okay, so Tapales, no strong pala ha. Tapales will only last, anong sabi mo yata, 5 rounds against you. Okay, sige ito. Shout out to Casimero's promoter. Ikaw, to you, Masayuki Ito. Sir Sean Gibbons is now opening his doors for Marlon Tapales to fight Janriel Casimero. Sir Sean said Marlon Tapales will be available this coming May. Now, let's see if you have the balls to fight Marlon Tapales. Magdadahilan na yan. Oy, mag-iisip na ng palusot yan dahil alam mo naman na wala kang panama kay Marlon Tapales. Okay? Alam naming nainggit ka, alam naming naninibugho ka sa opportunity na natamasa ni Marlon Tapales sa pera niyang nakuha against his fight versus Naoya Inoue. Ngayon, you keep on disrespecting his name kahit wala namang ginagawa yung tao sa'yo. Okay, congratulations! Nakiliti mo yung Sean Gibbons. Okay, now, Sir Sean Gibbons, pinapasabi niya sa akin na gawin itong video na to is officially calling you out and your promoter, okay, to negotiate for your fight against Marlon Tapales this coming May. Let's see kung matapang ka, ipatunayan mo yung tapang mo, patunayan mo yung yabang mo, patunayan mo yung kahambugan mo. Anong sagot mo ngayon? Magpapalusot ka? Palag o salag? Janriel Casimero, tingnan natin kung anong sagot mo.